Okay, hello, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and we are at another home to do a virtual tour, so you do not have to get off your couch today. And we are at a Pyvot home. This is one of their smaller models, but it's just over 700, which I think is really awesome because you're right across the street from a brand new like 8-acre park that looks over the Bluejack golf course that is being developed right now, which is Tiger Woods golf course. And it's a gated neighborhood. So right across the street from a golf course, gated neighborhood, just over 700 to get in at the beginning is really amazing. And we're gonna go tour this house. It's a little 1-story house, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and let's go see. Okay, 3-car garage. Landscaping. This neighborhood also takes care of the front yard landscaping in your HOA price. So that's kind of nice because it's pretty low maintenance. All right. Got wood floors, high ceilings. Very similar layout to what we just saw, but smaller as in does not have an upstairs. Okay. Laundry room. Love the fun tile floor. Little mud area. Full bathroom. Love that black tile. All right, bedroom numero uno. Big closet. Go across the hallway to another bedroom and full bathroom. These big windows just offer so much light. Of course, whoever moves in will probably have some curtains or something on their windows of some sort. I love the little bar in this one. Who is in favor of having bars in houses again? Me. I think they're so cute. I don't even drink that much. I just like the idea of it. All right, built-in shelves, windows everywhere, of course. Fun light fixture over what will be dining area. Then you've got a big old island with, have some bar seating here. This one has a little office pocket, if you will, kind of like that. And of course, the massive pantry. Okay, third and final room of this house has the same layout as the one we just saw, with a little coffee bar. The church master room is what I like to call it, with the pointed ceiling. Ooh, dark and nudie bathroom. What do you think of the black? All right, so big shower, lovely tub, and massive closet. Okay guys, tell me what you think about this house.